2016 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, power windows, CD player, power door locks, clock, security system, power brakes, side airbag, tachometer, overhead console, center console, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.